Hello, this is Michael from Pilotfish Personal and Professional Development LLC, asking you the question, will your retirement be a dream cruise or will it be a shipwreck waiting to happen? Are you like millions of people lying awake night after night, worrying about your retirement? Do you worry about running out of money in retirement? Do you worry about losing a sense of purpose or meaning in your life when you no longer go to work every day? Do you worry about some catastrophic? If so, you're not alone. What you need is a solid strategic plan in place for a successful retirement. And if you're thinking of leaving the rat race behind within the next few years, we have a free presentation that is a must-see for you. This is where you will learn the three keys to a happy, secure, and carefree retirement, and how to avoid the three big mistakes on your journey. There's a link below in the description, and you need to click on that link for more information for this free online webinar. Ann and I are specialists in retirement and pre-retirement planning, and together we've helped thousands of folks like yourself with successful transitions into that next chapter in life. We draw upon a wealth of experience in legal and financial affairs. I spent 30 years in private practice and am still practicing as an estate planning and elder law attorney, and was in financial services for more than 2 decades. And while a financial planner and an attorney ought to be part of your retirement team, you're not going to get any legal advice in this webinar, nor any financial. Join us. Take charge of your retirement. Would you rather be savvy in Southwest Florida or sleepless in Seattle? All you need to do is click on the link in the description below for more information on how to achieve a happy, secure, and carefree retirement. And the first step is by attending our webinar. See you soon.